The heart of everything we do is offering bespoke solutions that are really simple.
4EV is a charge point owner, operator and service and maintenance provider. We provide full turnkey services for electric vehicle charge points, for fleets, for the maritime sector and for the public.
4EV and Network Rail Scotland have been working together for about 2 years now.
We're in Irvine today. This is the very first Network Rail Scotland hub site that's now been fully energised.
This has been a project from start to finish. It's taken us 9 weeks, on time, on budget, that has enabled Network Rail Scotland to get moving with their new EV fleet.
It's important that we bring in the right strategic partners to deliver the project, and certainly Energy Assets have done an absolutely fantastic job.
We're absolutely delighted to be working with them on this flagship project, supporting Network Rail with their decarbonisation strategy. It took us about 7 weeks to get energisation, which was absolutely a fantastic achievement from the team.
We are now beginning to see a number of businesses looking at fleet decarbonisation, recognising that they have their own targets in terms of net zero to meet. The services that 4EV can put in will help businesses with the infrastructure to allow them to make that transition.
We all know transport is a contributor to greenhouse gases, so we are a purpose-driven business.
The 4EV fleet solution that we've developed is completely unique. It's a full turnkey service, an all-inclusive cost per kilowatt contract, no capex, there's no cost of ownership for that customer. It's an off-balance sheet expense, and it's reducing all their direct overhead costs, all their indirect overhead costs. There's massive benefits for any business looking to electrify that fleet by engaging 4EV.
Working with 4EV, it gives the fleet operator one point of contact, complete confidence that the offer will provide an end-to-end solution, and it will give them visibility and control over their costs for the lifetime of the contract. There are many, many moving parts, and it takes a long time, and there's a huge amount of investment required. We, at the very heart of this, want to make this simple.